Hello everyone. So are you a one mom amongst many like me who are worried about their kids' future? Who are worried if their kids even able to go to preschool or not? If yes, then this video belongs to you. Keep on watching this video till end and you will get to know how you can teach your child better be sitting at home. So in this video I'll be unboxing Finto box that I've ordered 2 weeks back, and the orientation and the classes would be started from 12th of July. So they usually deliver the box before that. So here's the box I've got. So let's unbox it. So there are some packets inside. This is the one packet I've got. Okay, something has written over it. It's EY2 about me. Then there is a second box. Second packet. It's EY2 Jungle Adventure. Then we have another one which says World Around Me. So these are the packets I have from this Flinto box in front of me. So first I will show you what is inside EY2 About Me packet. There's some colorful stuff inside this, I can see. So I've got this About Me. So guys, everything is mentioned on the envelope, that when and in what series you need to teach this to your child. Like here it is clearly mentioned that About Me needs to be opened on day 3. Then we have some puzzles packet with us, which shows About Me day 7, which needs to be opened on day 7 during the study. Then we have some colors and some sand is there, something related to some activity maybe. So here it is mentioned About Me Common Material 2. So here is one bonus revision session plan. Okay, so here we got this plan in front of us, so which is very clear and having all the day's activity with brief and skills in front of you. So this is the first thing you need to do before starting with the study. So everything is mentioned here, like day 1 what we need to do, the activities, the brief, the skills what your child will learn. So yeah, this one is this. So it's a kind of, okay, there is inside, like it's I believe it's the whole 3 months plan in front of me. So you need to check it, that About Me nursery packet, which belongs to what, and what your child will learn after doing this activity, what would be the interactive session contains, and the plan of the interactive sessions, and then revision session would be there. So yeah, you need to go thoroughly with this booklet. This is a very important thing before starting with this packet activity. So moving forward, we have some more packets inside. So this one is About Me day 2, which contains some I guess the ribbons, maybe something for some activities. So I got some more packets. There is About Me bonus bag. This is also something. And then there is one book which is for day 8 of the About Me activity, which is showing some utensils. So this one is for day 5 About Me activity, which contains some ice cream sticks and some shapes. This is gonna be fun for Aisha for sure. So this one is for day 6. There's some family members over there. Stickers maybe. I'm getting excited looking at so many colors. So here we have About Me day 4. This one is probably like to teaching your kids about the expressions. It's really nice. The quality of the activity material is quite good, guys, so I think you should give it a try. So this one is for About Me day 9. There is something inside this, so I'll be sharing my reviews very soon when we start doing the activities, like with Aisha. And this one is About Me day 10, which is a house plan. So this one is for day 11. Some kind of cardboard is there. So this one is for day 1. And this is for About Me common material 1. So this one is the common material. So that is it for the About Me activity plan. There are a lot of activity packets around there for the first About Me activity. So I hope everything is clear to you all. So let's move on to our next packet quickly. So we have another packet in front of me that is World Around Me. So let's just check what is inside this. So we have something here which is saying common material. Okay, these common material are probably for all the activities, like which is for common use. So we have the same as we have for our earlier packet, that World Around Me for day 5. Then World Around Me day 2. We have some leaves pattern over here in this packet. So we have something here. This one is day 9. So the quality of the material is quite good, guys, and for any query you can just simply go and watch the video and just follow the steps mentioned there. So this one is for day 11. This one is bonus bag. Okay, this looks good. Nice. Okay, so we have something over here for day 3. Okay, it's day 3. So the bags does contain some storybooks as well. So it's day 4. It's probably the storybook, maybe. We'll see later. Then we have some clays over there. Alright, good. This clay is for day 1. Then we have some shapes, bird shape, that is for day 6. Oh wow, so we have some kind of, maybe like this one is for day 7, maybe some kind of creating faces. And we have something like here, brush with brush, day 10, for day 10. Okay, some common materials are there, some colors, watercolors are there. Alright, let's come out of there. Okay, so we have some more material. This one is day 8. And we have planner. So guys, we have one planner with each packet explaining about the packet. To be honest, it's very a very easy to understand and briefed planner for parents, which help them to follow the instructions and do the activities accordingly. So again, we have some interactive session plan here as per day 1, day 2, day 3, then bonus revision would be there. It's good, it's quite easy. So this one is the last packet we have in front of us, that is EY2 Jungle Adventure. So let me just quickly check it. It's nicely packed. So here, as usual, we have the planner inside, which shows what we need to do with some plan day wise. Some revision session plan is there, and some activities inside. So we have this activity for day 9, Jungle Adventure. Alright, this one is for day 4. Okay, for day 2, some more colors. Wow. This one is for day 8. This one is for day 1, and the kind of hat. Some more little packets. Day 12. This one is for day 7. Okay, some sand is there, so maybe day 11. Okay, bonus bag. So we have this is for day 1, Jungle Adventure day 1. Yeah, we have some more, day 3. Alright, we have this Jungle Adventure day 2, and this one. It's a Jungle Adventure common material. Okay, it's a common material for. Alright guys, so we have quite a lot of stuff for Asha to play around. So this is all we have in Jungle Adventure activity packet. Ordered first 3 boxes first just to check and just to observe Asha's behavior towards them, whether she is enjoying or whether she's learning or not, or will it be worth ordering such boxes. So I would suggest you to go with the 3 months box subscription first, just to check the behavior of your child, just to observe how they are taking it as like interesting or boring. So for each and every activity that they have sent in the box, they will provide you a dashboard, parent login, from where you can just go through with the day-to-day activity videos. Recorded videos are there. So just open it and watch the video and follow the instructions and teach your kid accordingly. And just give your 1 or 2 hour daily with the kid for better understanding. And prior to the course start, there would be 2 orientation days recorded video session in the dashboard for parents for better understanding, so that they can guide to their kids in a good way and in a better way. Thank you for watching this session. I hope this will help you out, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update of this channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.